Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to change the game language in Sand. If you'd like to play Sand in a different language, you can easily change it through the game's settings menu. To do this, press the Escape key on your keyboard and open Settings. From there, select General, which is the third option in the settings menu. Inside the General tab, you'll find the Language option. Use the arrow buttons on either side to cycle through the available languages. The game will preview the selected language immediately as you switch between them. Once you've chosen the language you want, simply press E to save your changes. Now, if you accidentally switch to a language you can't understand, or the game launched in a different language, don't worry. Press Escape to open the menu again, then select the option with the cogwheel icon to open the settings menu. Next, choose the third option in the list to access the general settings. From there, locate the language option and switch it back to a language you're comfortable with. After saving the changes, you can continue playing the game in your preferred language. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.